Have you ever wondered if sharing is truly caring when it comes to your financial accounts? Specifically, can multiple people actually use Neon? It's a question that pops up a lot, especially as more and more of us embrace digital banking and look for convenient ways to manage money, whether it's with a partner, family, or even housemates. In a world increasingly reliant on shared finances, think joint household budgets, saving for a common goal, or simply splitting bills with friends. The idea of a bank account that multiple people can access seems pretty intuitive. Traditional banks often offer joint accounts, but what about newer, app-based solutions like Neon? Are they built with this kind of collaborative financial management in mind, or are they more geared towards individual use? Understanding this is crucial because while convenience is king, so is security and clarity about who can do what with your money. So, let's dive into the core of it. Can multiple people use Neon? The straightforward answer is no, not in the traditional sense of a joint account where two or more individuals have equal access and control over the same primary account. Neon accounts are designed for individual use. When you open a Neon account, it's linked to your personal details, your ID, and your phone number. This setup is fundamental to how digital banks like Neon operate, prioritizing individual ownership and responsibility for each account. Now, that doesn't mean there aren't workarounds or clever ways to manage shared expenses if everyone involved has their own Neon account. For instance, if you and your partner both have Neon accounts, you can easily transfer money between them. This is a common method for managing shared household expenses. One person might be responsible for paying certain bills, and the other can transfer their share to them. It requires a bit more coordination than a true joint account, but it's certainly doable and secure. Another scenario involves using budgeting apps or shared spreadsheets in conjunction with individual Neon accounts. Many third-party budgeting tools allow you to link multiple accounts and track spending collaboratively. While the funds still reside in separate Neon accounts, the financial planning and oversight become a shared effort. This can be particularly useful for flatmates splitting rent and utilities, or friends managing a shared travel fund. Each person contributes to the pot from their own Neon account, and the shared tool helps track who owes what and where the money is going. The reason for Neon's individual account structure largely boils down to security and accountability. By keeping accounts tied to a single individual, it simplifies fraud prevention, strengthens identity verification processes, and clearly defines who is responsible for the funds and transactions. In the event of a dispute or unauthorized activity, it's much clearer to trace the source and responsibility. While a joint account offers convenience, it can sometimes introduce complexities in these areas. So, while you can't technically have a joint Neon account with multiple people sharing direct access, the platform's ease of transfers, combined with external budgeting tools, provides effective ways to manage shared finances. It just requires a slightly different approach than what you might be used to with traditional banking. Think of it as a collection of individual financial hubs that can communicate and collaborate, rather than one central shared hub. This method empowers each person with their own financial autonomy while still enabling collective money management goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.